Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pentagon or star coaster. I like this pattern because it doesn't require to be pinned in the corner to keep it in shape. It's very versatile, it's a fast gift to make, and you can make it different colors as well for the holidays, for example. So let's get started. I am using a worsted weight yarn, number 4 is cotton, and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. So we start with a magic ring. And then we're going to put inside the ring 15 double crochet. I like to start my first double crochet with a single crochet and 1 chain, but if you like better, you can start with the 3 chain. This is my first. Second, third, fourth, and you continue until you make a 15. I have my 15 double crochet. Now we close the ring. I will make it tighter later. So we close the ring and we slip stitch in the chain that we make here, like so. Now we start from this stitch, the next one, and we're going to make 3 treble crochet. What I like to do for my first treble is 1 single crochet and 2 chain, but if you like, you can make 4 chain instead. So starting here, I'm going to make 1 single crochet, 2 chain. That's my first treble. In the same stitch here, we're going to make 2 more treble. Yarn over twice, grab your yarn, you close 2, close 2, and 2, and we have our 3 treble. Now 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. In the next stitch, we're going to put 3 more treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and you continue in this fashion until the end of the row, putting in 1 stitch 3 treble crochet, and in the next 2 double crochet. crochet, and I will meet you before the end. So I'm here almost at the end. I needed 2 more double crochet. 1, 2. Now we close in the last chain we make in the previous round, which will be here. We slip stitch like so. Now we make our 5 cord. Another thing, do not worry if your work curls a little bit, but it will be flat while you're working later. Okay, now we start from here where we close with a slip stitch. We start with a double crochet. For me, it will be 1 single crochet and 1 chain, but you can make 3 chain if you like. 1 single crochet, 1 chain. That's my first double crochet. In the next stitch here, we're gonna make another double crochet. In the next stitch, we're gonna make 4 treble crochet, all in the same stitch. So yarn over twice, pull the loop, close 2, 2 more, and the last 2, like so. That's my first, the second, third, and that's what we got so far. Now we're gonna make 4 double in the next 4 stitches. So 4 double, 1, next stitch, another double crochet, next stitch, another double crochet, next stitch, another double, and we got 4. Now in the next stitch we're gonna make 4 treble. So basically that's what you're gonna do all the way around, is 4 double crochet, 1 in each stitch, and 4 treble all together in the same stitch. And I will meet you there before the end. I'm here almost at the end. I need 1 more double. And we're going to slip stitch in the chain that we made before. And that's what we have so far. Okay, now we're going to put 4 double crochet, 1 in each stitch. We start with the first one here, the one where we slip stitch before. I'm gonna make my double crochet with 1 single crochet and 1 chain. In the next, 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet. There are 4. In the next stitch we're gonna make 5 treble. So yarn over twice, pull up your yarn, close 2, 2, and 2. The second, 3, 4, and 5, like so. In the next 7 stitches we're gonna make a double crochet in each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. In the next stitch we're gonna make 5 treble, and then in the next 7 stitches we're gonna make 1 double crochet in each. So that's what we're gonna do for all the round, and I will meet you there before the end. I'm here at the end. Now we're going to slip stitch in the last chain that we made before. And that's what we have so far. So now we're gonna make a border around the coaster, and to do so we're gonna insert your hook here where we slip stitch before, and we're going to slip stitch again, like so. We chain 1, and we're gonna slip stitch in the next stitch available. We chain 1, and we're going to slip stitch in the next stitch. We chain 1, and we're going to slip stitch in the next. Chain 1 again, and the next stitch will slip stitch. And that's what it looks like, our border. And we're gonna do this all around the coaster, and I will meet you before the end to close. I'm almost at the end. I need 2 more slip stitch, 1 chain, slip stitch, and 1 more chain. Now we're gonna weave the end with the yarn and needle. So I'm going to cut my yarn. Any yarn and needle that fits your yarn will do. I have this one, I think it's 14, but I'm not sure. And we're going to here, this chain here. Gonna pass our yarn needle through there. Pinch here and going in the back. Go. Now we finish this one. like to open the yarn a little bit and separate it so it makes it a little bit more secure, I think. Don't tighten it too much, the first one, so we don't deform here what we did, and then we can tighten it better the second. There you go. And then you're gonna hide this too as well. That's it. That's what we have. Thank you for watching, and if this video was useful to you, please consider to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.